Hey guys, Rajdeep here, and today I'll be talking to you about a small pen torch that I bought on Amazon. It belongs to a brand called Zhart, and they have a branch in India as well. So I was able to locate this product initially on Zahart.in, and then I sought it out on Amazon. So initially I had some problems using this pen torch because the instructions were not very clear to me, and although they have a very good support, they contact you through WhatsApp and they try to help you as much as they can, but I believe they didn't have a video which was specific to this product. So I'm going to show you this product right now, and we'll talk about it, and I'll tell you how I got started with it and what are the different features and functionalities that you can expect from this product. So let's get started. So this is the product, Zhart pen torch, or should you call it butane gas lighter. Okay, and this is the GF-853. Okay, so if you turn the package, you can see some instructions have been laid out for filling the gas and operating the device. It's very important that you read these instructions because as far as I have seen, these are important for safety as well as operational purpose. And there are some additional instructions about warning, or should I say some warnings have been listed down here, and these are very important because you have to remember that although pen torches are very good for DIY craft works, they can also be rather unsafe because of the nature of butane. So I would really recommend you to read through these instructions, and of all these, then one instruction that always stays in my mind is never fill up a butane gas lighter while it's still hot. Okay, so if you were doing something, just keep it down for a few minutes, and then after it has cooled down properly, after that you can fill the gas in. So these are some additional leaflets I got along with the package. This is about gas filling, how to fill the gas in this. Okay, and this is basically just a welcome letter or a promotional guide, should I say, which takes you to the Zhart.in website, and you can also scan the QR code to go to the website and get the instructions and all that. So anyway, in this video I'm going to open this up and I'm going to walk you through the basic setup and operational guidelines of this device. So to open this package, just slide this cover from the back side and gently take it out. So this is the butane gas lighter or the pen torch, and as you can see, it has a very strong steel metallic nozzle, and this is most probably ceramic, heat proof. If you see it closely, yeah, so if you see this closely, this pin here is what dispenses the spark and the gas comes out of this hole. Okay, this is the ignition button to turn the lighter on and off. Here if you see, there's a switch. Okay, the switch cannot be thrown by itself. You have to switch it on and then you have to turn it to on. What that will do is it will throw this lighter into a continuous flame mode, wherein the flame keeps on coming out even after you have released your finger. Okay, this is very good for some handicraft work or brazing sort of work where you need continuous fire coming out. Okay, so this is continuous flame mode. So you turn this, you press this, and then you turn it on after the flame has started. So this is like a lock. Okay, the gas is filled in from here. Okay, if I try to bring this close here, you can see there is a screw sort of structure built in there. You take a screwdriver and you can rotate it. So there are two symbols, plus and minus. Okay, so in the center you can see the pipe from where the gas has to be filled up, and the outer screw like structure is basically for controlling the flame strength. So if you take this to, if you rotate it towards the plus symbol, you'll see the flame grows stronger, and if you rotate it towards the minus symbol, the flame grows weaker. Okay, so this is how you control how much flame you want coming out of the nozzle. Okay, and never try to disassemble these screws for safety purpose. Only operate by filling the gas and by operating the like the screw like structure for or should I call it a knob for operating the flame strength. The other thing that is important here is to see the utility of this knob here. This is like a flame type control knob. So there are two kind of flames that can come out of here. One is the straight butane torch sort of flame, which is like a heater or whatever it's called. It throws the flame straight line. And the other thing is it works in a normal candle or a regular lighter mode. Okay, I'll show you that in a moment. So as I said, actually I have already filled the gas in this earlier. So just for the sake of demonstration, I had put it back in the cover, but I've actually filled the gas in. So I will walk you through that later on, but let me just show you the operation of this. So you press the knob, see, you can see this butane torch coming out. Okay, just keep your hands away from it like that. Okay, so if you turn the nozzle right now here, see, this is like a regular candle or a regular cigarette lighter. Okay, and again you take it and put it back where it was here, align it along the hole, and you have your regular butane torch. Okay, now I won't be showing you the continuous flame mode right now. You can check this out on your own, if you obviously if you have the device. And here, this is where you'll be filling your gas from. Okay, so the problem I was facing was when I got this gadget and I opened it up. So they provide two nozzles. They provided these two nozzles free with the lighter to help you fill the gas in. Okay, if in case your butane gas cylinders knob does not fit in properly with the hole provided, you can use this as an adapter. Okay, but unluckily this also did not work for me because the gas I bought off Amazon, like this nozzle did not sit firmly on that. So there are two nozzles here, both are mostly identical and none of them actually helped me. So let me show you the gas I bought. So this is the gas I bought off Amazon. Okay, this is Amazon India. Okay, so always be very careful with handling butane gas. It's a dangerous thing. If I open this, you can see there is this nozzle here, this is supposed to be aligned with this hole here to fill the gas in. Okay, but the problem I was having is this is a bit thick and this hole is a bit thin, and adapters that they have provided did not actually help me in any way. Here, see, and the only disadvantage of this device is that there is no way to see how much gas has actually filled in, because there is no transparent area. So you'll never actually, while filling the gas, you cannot have an idea of how much has been filled in. So you just have to estimate. It's written in the instruction to pump the gas in for 10 seconds. Okay, so you just have to approximate it and utilize it. If you see the fire is coming out, you know the gas is in, and then just keep using till the gas finishes, and then you can fill it up again. Okay, so very quickly I'll show you how to fill the gas in this particular model using this butane gas cylinder here. So as I said that this pin does not fit into this hole. Okay, so luckily this particular gas cylinder company provides adapters along with the cylinder. Okay, you get this with this free. Started looking into the different adapters provided here. I did come across, let me just take them out for you here. So I tried a few of these nozzles and actually none of them worked except for this one here. Okay, so here you can see this fits on the canister, and this is thin enough for our lighter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here I'm gonna attach this on top of this here. You can see, so it is very important when you select a canister, you should also see if they provide adapters free with that. So here we go. Okay, and then you take the cylinder. Okay, now remember I did not actually use this for some time. It's quite cool, that is why I'm filling the gas in. If I was actually using this, I would not have. So let's take this, point it exactly into the hole and try to fill it up by pressing. So as per the recommendation, pumping action. Okay, a pumping action, because there's a spring here, when you press it you'll know that. So the pumping action ensures that the gas goes in. So if you would have noticed, when I was pressing, there wasn't much gas coming out from the sideways. So that tells you that the contact is perfect and the nozzle is actually working for this. Okay, so this area will be a little cold for the time being. As per the instructions, once you have filled the gas in, keep the lighter in this position for some time. Okay, a few minutes before using. Okay, and for safety instructions, always close your canister, gas canister, and keep it in a safe place. So now that we have filled up gas here, you can just go ahead and operate it. There you go. Don't mind the failures I'm having here, because that is because I have really reduced this knob here. It's like your electronic potentiometer or something. So I have really reduced the flow of the gas here so that I can conserve the gas. okay, otherwise you'll be having flame coming out till here and your gas burns up very fast. So in this case I have reduced the gas so that I can keep using it for a longer period of time. There you go. So that's for it. That's how you use this pen torch from Zhart. You can always go to zhart.in and you can find out what other devices, what other models of these butane torches they sell. And hope this video helped you, and see you later with a different video on a different product. Thank you.